Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon community and it is the playlist of logical reasoning and today we will discuss more problems of linear arrangement. So I will suggest you first see the previous video of linear arrangement which is part 1 and it is part 2. So let's continue with the problems. Read the first question. Five people, Pradeep P, Kutub Q, Raj R, Sandy S, and Tej T are in a row. Raj sits to the immediate right of Tej. If Pradeep and Kutub have two persons sitting between them, which of the following must be true? Okay, so let us consider the given data. R is to the immediate right of T, that is T, then R. Okay, TR. Whereas P and Q have exactly two persons sitting in between them that can be in four possible ways. One is P, then blanks, two blanks, then Q, then one blanks, or two blanks, then P, Q, then Q, blanks, then P, blanks, or four Q. P and R must be between P and Q as they are next to each other. In any case, S must be at one extreme and uh, either at the left extreme or at the right extreme. So Sandy at one of the ends of the row. Okay, so D is the right choice. Hope you clear. Hope it is clear. As T and R must be between P and Q as they are next to each other. So in any case, S must be at one extreme end, either at the left extreme or at the right extreme. So Sandy means S is at one of the ends of the row. Okay. Okay. Go to the next question. Read the question. Eight persons: Ankit, Bobby, Chetan, Dhiru, Parvez, Wadir, Rinku, and S. Sahil sit in two parallel rows with four seats in each row facing each other. Ankit and Bobby are not in the same row. Parvit sits to the immediate left of Chetan in the same row and opposite Kadir. Chetan is at an end of the row. Rinku and Bobby have two persons between them. Ankit and Parvez have one person between them. Which of these pairs of persons can be diagonally opposite each other? Okay. So Parvit sits to the immediate left of Chetan in the same row and opposite to the Kadir. Ankit and Parvez have only one person between them, so the arrangement in that row can be Ankit, then Parvez, okay, and then Chetan. Rinku and Bobby have two persons between them, so in their row it may be Rinku, then two blanks, then Bobby, or or Bobby, then two plus, then Rinku. Okay. As Parvez sits opposite to Kadir, the two rows must have people as uh, Rinku or Bobby, then blank, Kadir, Then if there is Rinku, then it will be Bobby, and if it will be Bobby, then it will Rinku, and another is Ankit, blank, Parvez, then Chetan. So Ankit and Bobby may be diagonally opposite to each other, just as Chetan and Rinku. Chetan and Rinku, and Ankit and Bobby. Maybe Ankit and Rinku also, but there is no option. So choice C, C the choice C option. Ankit and Bobby or Rinku and Chetan. Check it. So C. And if there is another option, Ankit and Rinku or Bobby and Chetan, it will be also right. So these two will be correct for that conditions. Okay. Now go to the next question. 10 persons A to J are sitting in a row. Exactly three persons are read the conditions. Exactly three persons are sitting between C and J. A, G, H, D, and F are sitting from right to left in that order, but no two among them are in adjacent positions. G is sitting in the fourth position from the right. I, E, B, and C are sitting from left to right in that order, but no two among them are in adjacent positions. Okay, so let us consider the positions as given here, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Let me write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so from 3, G is sitting in the fourth from right. So fourth from right. So G is here. Okay. A, G, H, D, and F are sitting from right to left in that order, but no two among them are in adjacent positions. So H, D, F, H, D, F, H, G, H, D, F. So HDF may be in 5, 3, and 1 position. So H here, D here, F here. So A may be in, in the 9th position. And C, I, E, B, and C are sitting from left to right in that order, but no two among them are in adjacent positions. Exactly three persons are sitting between C and J. Okay, 4. From 4 cannot be fulfilled. Hence, C has to be in 8th, 9th, or 10th. If C is in 8 or 9, 8 or 9, I, E, and B will be then 2, 4, and 6. And then 1 cannot be satisfied. Hence, C is in 10 position. and J is in sixth position. Okay, then I, E, and B are in 2, 4, and 8. Clear? Okay. Now, how many persons are sitting between I and A? Check. I here, A here. So there are 9 minus 2 plus 1. This is 6. So 6 persons between them. How many different arrangements are possible? From this, only one arrangement is possible. So none of this. If F and H interchange their positions, then who are sitting at the ends? F and H. Then H and C. So choice C. H and C are at the ends. Clear? Okay. Now go to the next. Okay, from 6 to 8. Each of Aksa, Bindu, Chandana, Diksha, Harsha, and Lashya have a different number of years of work experience. They work between the years 1988 to 2000. Each person has at least 1 year experience. The experience referred to in the following statements is without any breaks. The following information is here. So these are the conditions also. Harsha started working in 1988 and has 8 years of experience. Aksa started working in 1991 and has 6 years of experience. Bindu has 7 or 6 years of experience and her experience is completely overlapped with that of Harsha. Chandana started working in 1988 and stopped in the same year when Diksha started working. Lashya started working in 1989 and has 1 year more experience than Chandana. No two persons stopped working in the same year. Diksha has 1 year less experience than Chandana. No one started working on 1st January of any year. So we have to read these conditions very consciously. So from 1 we can say that Harsha stopped working in the year 1996. As 1988 he started his working and has 8 years of experience. So 1988 plus 8, 1996. Now from 2 we can say that Aksa stopped working in the year of 1997. Okay. And from 2 and from 3 we can say that Bindu has 7 years of experience. Since uh, each person has different number of years of experience and Bindu uh, started his working in 1988 and stopped in 1995. 1988 plus 7. Okay. And read 4. From 4 and 5 we can say that Chandana and Lassa stopped working in the years of 1989 and 1991 or 1990, and Lassa means maybe it is 1989 and 1991 or 1990 and 1992 or 1991 and 1993 or 1992 and 1994 or 1993 And 1998, 5 or 1998 and 2000. Okay. And Chandana did not stop working in 1994 or 1995, since no two persons stopped working in the same year. From seven, um, from seven, from five. Okay, let me make a table. This is year. Okay. Now it is 1988. Okay. Now it is 89. Now 90, 91, 92, 93. Okay. So this is starting and it is stop. So in 1988, Harsa started his working. Okay. Chandana also. Chandana also. And who is another one? Mm, and her experience of wanted to overlap with that of his. Okay. And Bindu also. Okay. So when Harsha stopped his working after 8 years, means 1996. So Harsha here. Okay. Then Lassa started his working in 1989. So Lassa here. And Diksha has 1 year less experience than Chandana. So the experience here is minimum one. So Diksha has 1 year less experience than Chandana. Okay. And Chandana started working in 1988 and stopped in the same year when Diksha started working. Okay. 1 year less experience. So Diksha may be here and Chandana stopped his working in this year. And Diksha has 1 year less experience. So Chandana is 2 year experience. So Diksha has 1 year experience. Diksha here. Okay. Lessa started working in 1989 and has 1 year more experience than Chandana. Okay. Lessa. So Lessa has 1 year more experience. So Chandana has 2 years experience and Lessa will have 3 years experience. So Lessa stop her work as at 92. Okay. Now Aksa started working in 1991 and has 6 years experience. So it is simple, very 1991 and completed his work as 1997. And Bindu has 7 or 6 years of experience. So Bindu, if 7 years, then 1995 or 6 years of experience, and her experience is completely overlapped with that of Harsha. As overlapped. And since each person has different number of years of experience and Bindu started working in 1988, so it will be 7 years of experience. As for uh, Aksa, it is 6 years of experience. So for Bivu, Bindu, it will be 7 years of experience. So 1995. Okay. So let's check the questions. Check the questions here. How many pairs of persons stopped working in the consecutive years? So check. Chandana Diksha is one pair. Diksha Lassa and Bindu Harsha and Harsha Aksa stopped working in the consecutive years. So there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pairs. So choice B. Okay. Next question. How many years are there in which more than 3 persons started working? So in 1988, 3 persons, but more than 3 here we have not seen. So none of the above. Lassa's work experience is Lassa. 89 to 92 means it is 3 years. Okay. So choice C. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible. Get connected with us for getting uh, more such videos like that, for building your good uh, logical reasoning preparation. Okay, thank you.